Hey guys, this week Qualcomm announced its AI powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. One of the first phones that will be get new feature and new processor is the Galaxy S24 series. And yesterday Samsung posted a video reveal the new capability of the ISOCELL 200 megapixel sensor powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset by Qualcomm. There is not a smartphone on the market with such hard work, so is the clear a test for the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung new zoom feature does something you never see in a smartphone. Do Samsung test Galaxy S24 Ultra camera with AI. Samsung new zoom any place camera technology captures the full field of view and zoom any place in a 4K resolution at the same time. User can select the desired subject in the camera frame and the camera will be automatically track it and keep it in a focus, and it will be work both in 2x and 4x zoom. The end-to-end AI is the new way to image processing. Currently, the ISOCELL sensor processes the photo sequentially color by color, layer by layer, and the new solution is the color tone, noise reduction, sharpening, HDR, white balance, and lens shading correction will be happen at the same time. So we can say that the Galaxy S24 Ultra are going to be a next level camera AI features. In the last video, we are also talking about the Galaxy S24 series expect to release date and more other details. Check this video, and if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.